Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You know when it's going to be a good day? When just right before you're about to film, you ruin your manicure. Okay, besides the point. As you can tell by the title, thank you Noah. As you can tell by the title, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing my brand new order from Hobonichi. I just couldn't resist. I had to give in to the hype. So we will go through all the things that I have ordered. I ordered it straight from Hobonichi's website directly. And we will go through all the things, and I will kind of discuss with you not only what I ordered, but why I ordered them and then how I'm actually planning on using it. So if that sounds good, then why don't we just dive right in? And of course, if you are brand new here, well, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. Thank you so much for coming by. My name is Meshi, and I'm a planner enthusiast and the voice behind the line plans. I make videos every single week, at least 1 to 2 videos per week, and we talk about anything and everything minimalist planning and how we can use these beautiful tools in the most intentional way. So if that sounds good, you would probably really enjoy it here. All right, cool. Let's just honestly just dive in. I love how I always do my nails right before I'm about to shoot, and then of course inevitably I ruin my nails. The process. Come on, box, you can do this. Oh, she's moving, Here we go. Ta-ta-ta-ta! The human eyes fascinate me. I can close as close as my nose tip and my fingernails, as far as the horizon, even the moon and the stars, and what reveal ugliness, beauty, or occasionally something hidden are also the eyes of the human. Okay. Packaging, thank you. Let's just get everything out, and then we'll go through all the things that I have received. It's not a huge order, by the way, but still. Here we go, box, you're finished. Thank you for your service, and have a good day. Oh, I remember what this is. Okay, let's begin with this guy. So I wanted to get a few of these notebooks, mainly because I can never have enough notebooks, honestly. It's always a must in my house. So I just got some green, some yellow, and some blue. And they're just basically, it's almost like a line, but it's not. I don't know if you're familiar with Hobonichi. It looks like it's lined paper. The paper is so soft, you guys. Wow. The paper is extremely soft. I love it. So the main reason why I wanted to grab these is just because sometimes I literally just want to do just quick ideas, quick brain dump, and I feel like this was such an inexpensive buy that it's going to be perfect for that. Moving on, I picked up the Hobonichi Weeks. This is a 2022, starting in January. And yes, I know I could have waited until February and I could have grabbed the one that starts in April. I personally didn't want to wait because of the purpose of this book is simply, well, first of all, how cute are we? Oh, that is so cute. I feel like this is like a little info card just about Hobonichi. And this one was, I believe, Tea in Paris. Very beautiful. Okay, so I've been dying to check out the actual paper. Wow, what a soft. Yeah, I'm starting to understand like why people love this so much. It's a super soft paper. Very nice, and it's just so thin and subtle and elegant. I love it. The whole reason why I wanted to grab this little guy is so that this can actually be with me everywhere. And I wanted to use this more as a brain dump, not necessarily to set up my week or to set up. I mainly wanted to use this more for my spiritual practices and just have it like as a condensed little booklet. I don't see myself, well, if you guys are interested, I might do like a monthly flip through and just to kind of give you an update on how I'm kind of decorating it. But sometimes I literally just love just decorating a planner for the sake of decorating it without any rhyme or reason. Sometimes I just literally just want to do like an art attack where I can just have all of the fun washies and all of the fun things without any rhyme or reason for it. You know what I mean? Like, especially when you have like a lot of art supplies. And so I wanted to kind of have that space for that. And also the other part of it is that I wanted to have space where I can literally just make notes. Every time that I get a download, an idea, I wanted to be able to just literally jot it down without having it in multiple places, because usually my main planner, the A5 planner that you have seen in this channel, is generally on my desk at all times, so that doesn't really leave the house. Whereas this one I can take with me, I can put like a little cover on it and kind of call it a day. Which brings me to, I wanted to see, I bought this little guy, this little cover, and I think that this will actually work. It's supposed to be a clear cover. So this is, yep. So this is a clear cover, which looks like it's not gonna fit. Oh my God. I thought that this was supposed to be for the weeks. Okay, well, it's in Japanese. I totally thought that this would fit. Clearly it's not gonna fit. I think that this would fit this one, maybe. I don't know. I thought that this was so cute, right? Okay, so this will not fit the weeks, so I can't really use it for anything. So I think that I will have to let go of that, unfortunately. Okay, this is the other main kind of planner situation that I ordered, and so this is your original Hobonichi. I believe this is a Hobonichi Techo 2022. Starts in January and it goes until December. Super fun. So you have your daily in here. You have your, I believe it gives you your weekly as well. I love that it changes color. And I don't even mind that like the little quotes, they're not in English. It's totally fine, because I just felt like well, first of all, I was actually eyeing the A5 size initially, but the fact that it's smaller, it's just generally, like, I don't know if you have seen, I'll just maybe just insert an image here, but generally whenever I'm planning in my A5 planner, I don't write very big, which means that like I write really small and delicate, and sometimes like I just kind of want something small, but something where like the entire year is here. Whereas, so that was sort of like the premise behind this guy, is just for me to just have like a small little functional planner, something separate that is not for social media, that is not really for, it's not really for like mindfulness. I think that this will sort of be almost like a smaller version of a catch-all. I kind of wanted to see how I'm going to be using it. I've seen multiple different setups for it, but really like I just wanted something different than what my current setup is, as much as I love my current setup. Does that make sense? Like sometimes I just want to decorate the same thing, but with like a little washi tape or like different colored markers. Like I just wanted something different than what I have had up to this point. And I really enjoy the fact that it's so small and compact. I will be looking for like a little cover for this so that I can still add the, you know, like the little minimalist decor stickers and whatnot. I did purchase, so this is the little, I think it's like a page lifter. I forget what they call this, but this is something that you would put underneath your pages. So cute, right? Oh my goodness, like the delicacy just gets me. Oh my God, I love this. And then of course on the other side we have Animal Crossing, which is like the favorite thing for my daughter who loves this. And I have a feeling that she might take this over. I don't think she will, but she was like super excited when she saw Animal Crossing, so not that that means anything at the moment, but anyway. I also picked up some stickies because why not? Because I thought that they were super cute. So there's this guy. Oh, so cute. I didn't know that it was like a whole set. That's so cute. I thought that it was just one that you're getting. I didn't realize that it was like 4. That's good to know. And then, of course, we got the little spoon, which gets me. It was just so adorable. So I'm quite happy I got that. And then the last thing that I received was actually a little stencil. And again, like if you don't know, or if you haven't seen my main channel on Meshi TV, I haven't renamed it just yet, but back in the day, I used to do a ton of bullet journaling where I would like draw out all my inserts and things like that. And it got honestly really exhausting. So then I moved into more of a minimalist, clean, elegant planning style. But this kind of brings me back. Can we please talk about this? It's so cute. So it has like tiny little icons. You have walk, home, eat, memo, work, car, birthday, gift, memorial, stars, good and sad. And then you have like a little decor. So again, like this is, I feel like this is perfect just as is. And then I have a couple of pens, which of course I wanted to try. I think that one of them will go to my girls and then one I will keep. And I really love pens that has like multiple colors in them, because especially for children to write with this, it's awesome. It's a really nice way to kind of test out different colors and, you know, just have it all in one. Okay. Do you sometimes feel uncomfortable when you're like first opening up a brand new planner and then you have to like write your name in it? It's always like so eerie, like, I don't know if I'm ready for it. That's how I feel. I'm surprised that it doesn't have like the initial page in there. Maybe it's at the back. Ooh, and you have like a little card, and you have, I think that this is like your little corner pocket. That is so cute. I just appreciate all of these little details, right? Okay, I'm just gonna test the pen here. So I'll just write pen test. It's a nice pen. I like it. I think it was just more just having it rather than, you know, it'll be my favorite pen. But this is basically it. So like the premise behind it is I just wanted something different where I can use like fun little washies and things like that and really just introduce fun. I mean, like if you have seen some of my previous videos, you know that like one of the words that I was kind of after this year was definitely fun and keep things exciting. I find that after a little while, things get really stale for me and really boring, and it can get really stagnant. And as soon as I feel that things kind of get stagnant, I know that even though the system itself is working, but I just need to kind of change something up. So that was sort of like the idea behind it. I just kind of wanted to try it out, see if I can have fun with it, which is sort of like the point of planning anyways, is just to kind of enjoy, you know, writing things down. Like mainly like I wanted to do like lots of memory keeping. So that was sort of like the idea behind this one, is just to really capture my days, capture what's happening with me, capture what's happening within my life, like actually what's going on. And I feel like these pages kind of give me tons of space to do that without really making it about punctuality and really about just being on schedule, like being really rigid and structured, you know what I mean? So like, and every single time that I looked at spreads of how people are using the Hobonichi Techo, it was always had like that lightheartedness to it. So it was just very delicate, very fun, very easy. It wasn't so much about, I don't know, like I didn't really get the vibe that it was so much about minimalism as it was about really elegance. So I'm hoping that I can have lots of fun with it, and but we'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm not promising anything, but I'm curious to see how much I'm going to be using this little guy, because I know that some people had like lots of trouble with it. But I'm planning on buying a cover for each, especially with February being my birthday month. I'm hoping that maybe I can pick up like a really nice cover and then really start decorating it and buy some new decor inside of it. So see how things go. So this is all I wanted to share with you. Let me know in the comments if you have either the Hobonichi Techo or if you have the Weeks, and how you're enjoying it. What's your favorite thing about it, as I am a newbie in the space. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, you can give me a thumbs up, you can subscribe, you can do all of the lovely things, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. See you next time. Bye.